Hi guys, so I'll upgrade my son's bedroom because he need like sensor room. Like his room, he need to be something unique and different because he's special. My son is very special. He's have a autism. So this sensor room of course, we make like sensor room. Like we're gonna put more stuff. I'm going to show you guys soon. I already finished to put the bed. And I'm going to put the lights, and I have more surprise to put right there. So yeah, let me do it and show you guys. And open. Ta-da! Surprise! Look, kick her. Oh, hey. Yeah, explore. Yeah, something new. You like it? It's so confused. Yeah, it doesn't understand why. You like? Yeah, yeah. See, remote. Let me show you. And blue and red. Mom, close the door. See? Wow. And white, green. Yeah, you like? See what they can do. Can keep change color. You can come here. Yeah. And sit. You can sit there. And sit.